Let's begin our exploration by looking at this magnificent palace and pondering its perimeter. This video will focus on how to calculate the perimeter of this complex shape. Our goal is to find the perimeter of the area marked by the red line around the palace. Notice the equidistant lamps. If we know the distance between two lamps and the width of the pathways, we can calculate the perimeter. That's a brilliant observation. The question is, how can we find the perimeter if we know the distance between the two lamps? Let's assume the distance between two consecutive lampposts is 5 meters. The red line marks the perimeter we need to calculate. Segments 1 to 6 are marked, and 7 and 8 are hidden. One student estimates that there are 8 lamps on one part, so one side is 8 times 5 meters, which equals 40 meters. Think carefully. Remember that between two lamps, you only get one length. This means if there are 8 lamps, there are only 7 gaps between them. The student corrects themselves. With 8 lamps, there are actually only 7 gaps. 7 multiplied by 5 meters, which is 35 meters. Since there are 8 equal parts like that, the total perimeter is 8 times 35 meters, equaling 280 meters. Therefore, one part is 7 multiplied by 5 meters, which is 35 meters. With 8 parts, the total perimeter is 280 meters. Next, let's consider the 4 entryways at the centers. Assuming each is 10 meters wide, that adds 4 times 10 meters, or 40 meters, to the perimeter. Finally, the corner pathways. If there are 4 of them, and each is 2 meters, that's an additional 8 meters for the perimeter. The total perimeter is 280 meters plus 40 meters plus 8 meters, which equals 328 meters. That's correct. When we break down a problem into steps, it becomes much easier to solve. Now, let's move on to calculating the cost of the fence. Here is a segment of the fence measuring 12 meters long. The cost for this part is 15,000 rupees. If the perimeter of the complex, excluding the entrance, is 1,440 meters, what is the cost of the whole fence? To solve this, we first need to determine how many 12-meter segments are in the total length of 1,440 meters. We need to divide 1440 meters by 12 meters. The calculation is 1440 divided by 12, which equals 120 segments. Since one 12-meter segment costs 15,000 rupees, we multiply 120 by 15,000, which equals 18 lakh rupees. It seems like a very high cost for the fence. Knowing your mathematics is essential for accurately calculating cost. Now let's explore another scenario. Assume the total cost of the fence is 2,56,000 rupees. We still know the cost and length of the segment here. The total length of the fence is the unknown this time. If we know the cost of the whole fence, and that this segment is 8 meters long and costs 15,000 rupees, what is the perimeter of the fence? The segment here is 8 meters long, and the total cost for the whole fence is 2,56,000 rupees. They spent 40,000 rupees for this 8-meter segment. What must be the perimeter? To find the number of segments, we divide the total cost of 2,56,000 rupees by the segment cost of 40,000 rupees. The result is 6.4 segments. Next, we multiply 6.4 segments by the length of one segment, 8 meters. The total length is 51.2 meters. The perimeter of the fence is 51.2 meters. We mastered the concept of perimeter. Like and subscribe for learning more mathematical concepts with us.